Court is now in session. Back on the announcement docket, County Court Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Next case is cause number 326-924. Case is filed the state of Texas versus Walter Stephen Holmes. Mr. Holmes, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Holmes, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? You may put your hand down. And Mr. Holmes, obviously we have the same last name. We, as far as I know, and I don't know about you, we are not related. Is that correct? Okay, so we've never met other than, I guess, here in court. Mr. Holmes, how are you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Holmes, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ralph Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, Your Honor, thank you.
That's good, Mr. Kimler. The state is represented by Attorney Blake Ham. Attorney Ham, how are you doing again?
Doing well, thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Now, Mr. Holmes, the case that we have before us is cause number 326-924. This case is a Class A misdemeanor, unlawfully carrying a weapon, which occurred on or about January 9th of 2020. I have before me a motion to forfeit. And Mr. Ham, you like to urge a motion to forfeit? Is that correct?
State board.
Mr. Holmes, I have before me a motion to forfeit in this case. Mr. Holmes, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature above the line that is titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Holmes, prior to signing this document, did your attorney, Mr. Kimler, go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in this document?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Holmes, I will grant the state's motion to forfeit this weapon. And I'm signing the forfeiture right now. And this motion to forfeit has been granted. Mr. Bailiff, Mr. Porter. Okay, thank you, Mr. Kimball.
Sign in and out of balance.
It,
You know,
no, I don't know. Oh, I can cancel this. Mr. Holmes, I've just signed a motion to dismiss that has been presented by the state in this case. And it should be, it's printed off right now. Mr. Kimler, you can get a copy of this motion to dismiss. Mr. Holmes, once you get a copy of the motion to dismiss from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
thank you.
And Mr. Kimler, this is your final case. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ham.
Yes,
And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket and the pretrial conference plea docket. Both dockets are scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of February 14, 2022. In County Court at Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a happy Valentine's and have a blessed day.